up? It's Simone here. So today in this vlog, I'm actually gonna start off by going to my nearest urgent care. Why? Because my hand still freaking hurts, and so my aunt has been on my back about going because she's like, wow, something's really wrong with your hair. You probably could be making it a little bit worse by acting like nothing's happening. Well, she told me to get some x-rays just to see if everything is okay. I know a few of you did recommend to drink celery juice because of the benefits with the joints and stuff. Some of you guys said arthritis. I hope not. I do have to buy a juicer so I can continue start to juice my celery, but until then I'm gonna go to the urgent care. I've been avoiding it because of COVID, and I'm like, should I be in there? Should I be risking my life? Should I be? But I think they do things like where you gotta sit in your car. I don't know how it goes. I'll let you guys know when I might have to carry my other camera, which means a cut in quality, but it's lighter and smaller and I can fit it in my pocket. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the car. Okay, so update. Went to one urgent care and they were like how they don't do x-rays or anything like that. So I'm like, okay, cool. So then she goes, I'm like, what's the point of me being here? So she's like, well, you can come and then she'll tell you what it is, look at the hand, and then refer you. So I'm like, why don't I just go to the person she's gonna refer me to? Because if she can't do an x-ray, then there's no point. Like, I've been through this for the last 5 years. If you can't do an x-ray, then you serve no purpose to me, period. Went outside, called a couple of more urgent cares. Most of them are not answering. And the one that I usually go to, I feel like I should just drive there and go there. It's way nicer inside and there's usually no wait. However, I didn't feel like driving the extra. I should have just drove there. I should have just did it. I was literally like 2 miles away. Should have. But it wasn't showing on my GPS. I didn't know if it was still there or not. I don't know. So I went to this other urgent care that she answered the phone and everything. And she was like, she couldn't tell me no information over the phone, like how my copay would be. They did do x-rays here, but she didn't tell me anything about copays or nothing. The few that answered did have answers about copay. So I'm not going to go there and my copay is not, you guys don't accept my insurance and then I got to pay $1 million. No. For all of that, I could just do what my grandmother said, which was ginger and turmeric, and wrap my hand with some vapor something Vicks thingy around my hand and take ibuprofen, because I ain't paying $1 million just for you to tell me the same thing that all the others told me that they don't know anything about. Sorry. So here I am at this other one and it doesn't look as polished, and so I go inside. I didn't even make it through the second door. I went through one door which was open. I could see the entire weight room. There was like 15, 16, 17 people there. I'm like, I'm not going. First of all, one, I don't like to wait for anything at all. So if I have to wait in there, I'm number like 20. No, not happening. Two, there's a coronavirus going around. I don't know who in there has it, and I'm not trying to go in there and catch it. At this point, we're going the natural route. Hey, Simone again, different parking lot. Same story. I wanted to go to Walmart because it's so much cheaper, but Target was so much closer. I just bought a bunch of face masks from Target and they're bullshit. They're crap. But Target to even charge $15 for this whole entire pack is just disgustingly disgusting. And the only reason why I can't return it is because, like as usual, I threw away the receipt. Know what I'm supposed to get. I guess a cold and a hot, flexible ice and soothing heat. This is a pad. Can this go on your hand?
Nope.
My grandma told me to get a heating pad. I feel like I can find this cheaper at Amazon.
Yep.
Oh wait, maybe this.
Yep.
This looks like it might be better. Let's try this. Okay, we've reached the food processor aisle. So these are the options that Target has. This one's not in stock. This one, oh, that one is in stock. That's that one right there. And then there's a Hamilton Beach one right here. So one is 60, one is 45. I came in here for one thing. One thing. from freaking Target and Walmart. Ugh, my leggings are super see-through, which you know, I took off my Adidas to put on the leggings because I thought I was gonna run out to Target really quick. Deja shows up and my leggings are see-through. That could explain why the guys were trying to holler at me when I was running into Walmart like, yo, you got a man, you got a man? And I'm like a dumbass, I said no, but he kept asking me and I'm like, wait, yes, I do. You know, I gotta lie. This has been a hot mess. This whole day has been a hot mess. It's 3:42. I didn't get no content done, no content recorded. I'm pooped. I got the right juicer, so now I can officially make fucking celery juices, but I'm so irritated. Like, I just did so much. I don't know how I didn't realize. First of all, a food processor and a juicer looks the same, okay? So it was a common mistake that anybody could have made, right?
Hi guys,
I'm teaching Deja how to juice.
She ain't teaching nobody, that's on period.
Wow, I'm so good at this.
16 ounces a day keeps the pain away.
They said 8 ounces. This is bag number 2. Bag number 1 made a large amount, like a really good amount. So let me see it. I don't know if that's like the jar. I bought these jars from Target because I felt like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna wake up every day and juice celery. I'm gonna keep it real. So I decided to buy a jar that can hold like 2 or 3 days worth, and so I can go from there, and every 3 days I'll just go ahead and juice. But I just finished one whole bunch of celery, and I bought 3 of these, so I'm gonna see how much that can fill up, and then I'm gonna make sure I drink a glass today. Shake it.
Oh, you want some of that nastiness though?
Alright, so we just juice some ginger. We're gonna take some ginger shots. We sprinkle some cayenne on top of it.
Okay.
Ready? Ah! Okay, go. It's like liquid going down your chest, hot.
Wanna get me up to here. I'm leaving. You guys are drunk off the ginger.
Hey guys, another day, another urgent care. Hand is very swollen. It doesn't look that swollen on camera, but it is swollen. I'll show you my pictures. I'm rushing because no one's here and I want to hurry up and go in, but I do have my celery juice right here, which I shouldn't be holding with my left hand, but I am. I want to drink the whole thing, but I don't know if it's gonna actually make my hand swelling go down. Oh, car's parked, we gotta go in. Got a lot of blood drawn. They're gonna test for rheumatoid arthritis because just not sure. Yeah, you know, it's an urgent care. They don't really know what's going on. The hand swelling is going down. It was hard to find veins because I didn't drink any water today. I didn't eat anything today. So I guess they had to poke me up. A little band-aid. Yeah, so I just want to go home and take this wig off. I'm sorry if I'm mumbling. I'm in the doctor's office and I don't want to speak loud. But, yeah. No?
Is it in right now?
Hi, Simon. Guys, this is my best friend.
I've been wanting to hold a baby for like a year.
For a year? He's just only been out for 2 months.
Okay, bye.
I knew Diamond since
Hi.
Since I was born.
Yeah.
I'm like, what? Look at this precious little baby. Say me. Look at the little lips. He's like, get out of my face.
Yeah.